Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Home when frozen. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Settings app and then find the Apps option by scrolling down. Tap on it. Here, tap on the All Apps and scroll down till you find the Google Home app. Tap on it. Now tap on Force Stop option and then tap on OK. Now tap on Permissions and make sure all of the permissions are given to the Google Home app. After that, press back and then select the Storage and Cache option and clear cache. After that, go and check if your app got fixed. If it didn't, you need to come back here and then select the Clear Storage option button and then select the Delete Data option. This should completely reset your Google Home app, which would definitely fix the frozen issue as well. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.